To submit documents to Wise for account approval, follow these simple steps to ensure your submission is successful and meets all requirements. Step 1. Prepare your documents. Gather the necessary documents required for account verification. This typically includes a government-issued ID, proof of address, and any additional documents specified by Wise. Step 2. Log into your Wise account. Access your Wise account by visiting the Wise website or using the mobile app. Enter your login credentials to access your account dashboard. Step 3. Navigate to the verification section. Once logged in, locate the verification section of your account. This is usually found in the settings or account management area. Look for prompts related to document submission. Step 4. Upload your documents. Follow the prompts to upload your prepared documents. Ensure that the files are clear and legible and that they meet the format and size requirements specified by Wise. Step 5. Submit and confirm. After uploading your documents, review your submission to ensure everything is correct. Once confirmed, submit your documents for review. You should receive a confirmation notification regarding your submission status. After completing these steps, wait for Wise to review your documents. They will notify you via email or through your account once your account approval is processed.